Hello student, today we discuss about the question paper format of class 10th subject science. So we know that the class 10th exam is already start. So and there is also science paper, okay, is near to us. So all of student know about the question paper format of science because it helps to you for your study purpose. Okay, means how to study, uh, means we know about the format, then we are able to do lot of practice at home also. Okay, so now we start. So question paper first is also having A and B questions. Question paper first A, question first B, two sections are there. Question first A is choose the correct option and write its number for the following questions. Okay, means the question first is the like MCQ, multiple choice questions. Okay, means in that question having 4 options, out of 4 one is correct, so you choose that correct option. It is asked in question first. It having 5 marks. The total mark, we know that the science is having the two part first and part second. So total mark is 40. Okay, for science part first is 40 and part second is 40, and 20 marks is given for your internals. It consists of your practical book, project, and also all the exams, your attendance, then your practical exam is also, this all is contained in the internal exam. So this is our writing paper. Science part first having 40 marks and science part second having 40 marks. So we discuss general question paper format. Part first and part second is having same format question paper, so we discuss the same. So first question is choose the correct option and write its number for the following questions. So it having the multiple choice questions. 4 options are given, you choose any one option out of 4. So question second, solve the following question. Question not second, it is the question first B. Okay, in this question solve the following questions are asked. Okay, means one word questions, true or false, then correlation, find the correlation between this and one word question, like that questions are asked for question first B. Okay, it also having the 5 questions, and all the questions for question number first, all the questions are compulsory. A also compulsory, all the 5 questions are compulsory. Question first B is also having the all 5 questions are compulsory. Here not given option for question first. Okay, all the questions are compulsory. It also having the 5 marks. Okay, each question carries 1 mark. Here question 2A. Okay, question 2 is also having 2 section, A and B. Question 2A is give the scientific reasons. Okay, means give scientific reason questions are asked in question 2A. Here the 3 questions are given, 1 2 3 3 questions are given. Out of 3 you solve any two question, and each question carries 2 mark. Okay, so here 4 marks for question 2A. Next is a question 2B. Solve the following. Same here, solve the following questions, but here not the scientific reasons, other questions are there. Okay, here also 5 questions are given. Out of 5 you solve any 3 questions, and each question having 2 marks. So the question 2B is of 6 marks. Okay, then question 3 is solve the following questions, any 5, means 8 questions are given. Out of 8 you solve the any 5 question paper, and each question carries 3 marks. So this question 3 is of 15 mark question. And question 4, solve the following questions. Just a minute. In question 3 is also having sub questions are there, means question number first is having the A B C, like sub questions are asked. Okay, means sometimes some diagram is given, according to that diagram the questions are given, so you solve that questions. Each question, that time each question carries 1 mark, because in each question you having the 3 sub question. Okay, and this three sub question carries 1 mark. That is the question first having the 3 marks. Means each question of question number 3 is having the 3 marks, and you solve the any 5, but any 5 there is also sub questions. So you solving the question number first. Suppose you solving the question number first, in question number first also sub questions like A, B, C is given. Suppose the question number first is having some diagram, and related to that diagram the questions are asked. So you solve this 3 all the sub question. That time you got the 3 marks. Okay, then next is a question 4. Solve the following questions. Anyone means 2 questions are given. Out of 2 you solve the any one question, and this question carries the 5 mark. Okay, so here also question number 4 is also having the chances to ask the question like the sub question wala question. ये भी पूछ सकते हैं question number 4 में. But mostly question number 3 is having the sub questions are asked, and question number 2 having the chances some diagram is given, and means table is given, and some part of the table is empty and some is filled. So you fill that, means complete the table, complete the following table, like that questions are asked. Okay, so this is the question paper format for science. Okay, so all of you prepared about your science paper. That time you see your question paper format firstly, and then you revise your whole syllabus, because you already in whole year we learn lot of science. You again attend a lot of practice exam also in our school, also tuition also. So before means revising syllabus, you firstly see the question paper format of science, and then you prepared. Okay, all the best all of you for your exam, class 10 student. Okay, and thank you for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Sharda Survase. Thank you.